You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is famous for being the name of a principle or a chart, and originally it was an Italian polymath. So if you want to learn more names of famous mathematicians, stay tuned. Pareto is the English pronunciation now. In Italian, Pareto, 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 Vilfredo Pareto. In English, Pareto, as in the Pareto principle. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.